Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone display screen color distorted. Are you having trouble with the colors on your iPhone screen looking distorted? So you are not alone. Many iPhone users have experienced this issue. It can be a frustrating problem to deal with. Fortunately, there are some simple and effective steps that you can take to fix the issue and distort the colors on your iPhone screen. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is ensure color filters is turned off or adjust perfectly. For this, open settings, scroll down and then tap on accessibility. Next, tap on display and text size. Now scroll down and then tap on color filters. Tap on its toggle button to turn it off. Now check out the screen colors on your device, which should appear correctly, and you are done. And the next step is force restart your iPhone. If the iPhone display color problem persists, another quick resolution can help you indefinitely. Perform a forced restart on your iPhone can often resolve this problem. For this, you just need to press and quickly release the volume up button, and same with the down button, and press the power button and then slide to power off, and after some time press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen, and you are done. And the next step is reset all settings on your iPhone or iPad. For this, open settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, and then tap on reset, and then tap on reset all settings. It might ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instruction to reset all settings on your iPhone. I am pretty confident that you will be able to overcome the issue after the reset, and you are done. And the next step is update iOS on your device. For this, open settings, scroll down and then tap on general, and then tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then download and install the latest version, and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of iPhone display screen color distorted. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.